All right, let's go ahead and look at doing some adjustments with retouching in Lightroom. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to the develop module that we downloaded, and then we're going down to the module over here called retouching. We want to select that folder called retouching, and then we're going to jump over to develop. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to do some retouching on these photos. So we want to come over and we want to find the spot removal tool. So that's this one here. This is your spot removal tool. We're going to click on the spot removal tool. So there's a couple of things. One is that there's two modes to run your spot removal tool in. One is heal and the other is clone. So what's the difference? Heal softens the edges as you paint with the brush, whereas clone tends to pick up the material, wholesale, and place it one part of the picture to another. And you'll get a source and a destination. Let's look at clone first. And you'll see that here's my brush. I'm going to make my brush large. And just to show you how this works, I'm going to clone over her eye. And you're going to see 2 points, a source point and a destination point. So wherever the source point is picking up and placing into the destination point. The cool thing is that after I set the source point and the destination point, I can move them anywhere I want on screen. So I can do anything I want once I've set up the source and the destination point. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea of how the tool works. So once again, of course, we have the size of the brush itself, the edges of the brush, which is feather, and the opacity, okay? So the number of times you're gonna wanna paint a third eye on someone is probably not too often. I'm gonna delete that by just hitting the delete key. I'm gonna set it to heal. I'm gonna lower the size of the brush with the right bracket key. And then I just wanna dab it over those problem areas and let it fill it with another area that's a little bit clearer. And now I can redirect where that spot is if I need to. And that's really pretty much how this works. Of course, you can always go into more detail, but that's a pretty good understanding of this brush.